Are you one who wishes they could live in Canada for studying and meet living expenses and tuition fee? Many students face issues like tuition fee related. Also, 20 hours work limit is one of the big issue for international students. Working as online is one of the best way to work with no working hours limit. You can work as many hours as you want. There has never been a better moment to start making money from home, whether you are looking to make a complete career change or just supplement to your income. There are so many possibilities in online job sectors for students, housewives, skilled workers, and professionals. It's tough to decide where to start. Numerous corners must be addressed in this article. For example, how much money you can make online in Canada, how hard it is to obtain online jobs, what is the minimum qualification or skill required to work remotely jobs in Canada. I can help you to get the answer to all of your questions. As per the career trends and market requirements in 2023, I have drafted down the top high-paying yet easy to find online jobs for you to start your online career in 2023 and make some money in Canada as a student. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Number 1, be a proofreader. If you love to read, have a good vocabulary and grammar, or studied in English college, proofreading could be a perfect career for you. As a proofreader, you may be asked to look through everything from blog posts to academic research papers. You'll be expected to require to adopt particular style guideline to proofread the given content and to report any errors in the work to the editor. Good vocabulary and grammar, good speed in reading documents and files, knowledge of punctuations, and good fact checking are the basic skills required to be a proofreader. You need to have a good laptop, a strong internet connection, word processor to do your work. A proofreader can make around about $3,310 monthly by working online for Canadian employers. If this motivates you, then please opt for researching high-paying proofread online jobs at Proofreading Pool, Scribendy, Fiverr, Upwork, and many other freelancing platforms to find a Canadian employers. Number 2, start as content writer. Being a freelancer writer requires a high level of concentration and dedication. Writing content is one of the most high-paying and easy to start career options remotely. Since writer can choose to be a script writer, academic writer, Netflix writer, product description writer, ghost writer for someone, story writer, or even a blog writer, where a writer helps bloggers to produce useful contents for their blog websites. Any topic from cyber security to lifestyle is under the belt of a freelance writer. As a content writer, you should be good in English language, have good writing and editing skills, and have the ability to come up with new ideas. I'm also a freelancer. I used to work as content writer, copywriting, also in digital marketing. I'm working as a student in this field, so I thought this is the precious information for you as well. A laptop and a strong internet connection, Microsoft Word document are necessary tools to require as content writer to do an online job. As a content writer, you can expect to make over $10 to $20 per 500 words of an article and over $1,500 on monthly basis if you work as full-time content writer. Fiverr, Upwork, Guru, Indeed, and most important one is LinkedIn. These are best websites can help you find your desirable online content writer position from Canadian employers. Number 3, become a transcriber. A transcriber is a person whose job is to listen audio, records, and type in MS Word file. What they have here on recording, depending on the workload, a transcriber may type as fast as 80 words per minute. And if this is something you can do, then all you need is a transcriber jobs to kickstart your online career. You can use AI tools to do this job. There are numerous online free tools. You can search on Google to transcribe audio into text. You can start your transcriber journey by just having a laptop, internet connection, and headphones. As a transcriber, you can make over $1,200 per month, whereas if your job is tough, then you may expect some extra salary for that. Number 4, start career as online tutor. If you are fluent in English language or other languages, then you can use this talent to teach English or other language to the kids online. You should have a bachelor's degree in any subject and be a native English speaker with experience of teaching kids to be able to qualify for an English teaching position online. Laptop and a strong internet access are required to provide online tuition to kids and can earn a salary of $35,000 per annum. Yes, it is completely true. Whereas you can look for online teaching positions at these websites. Number 5. Work as copywriter. My favorite field. If you want to work online as a copywriter, then you must understand the job responsibilities of a copywriter is to write marketing sort of content for readers to take an action. A copywriter is responsible for writing good content about brand awareness, sales copy, or a product description which motivates readers to make decisions. Tagline, online direct mails, internet advertising, descriptions, Google AdWords, and landing pages are just of some things that copywriters can create. A strong grasp of grammar, best customer research, good communication skills are required to be copywriter. You can make up to $1,000 to $2,000 per month as a copywriter. The copywriter working remotely would also need a laptop, internet connection, Microsoft Word, and a Grammarly extension installed on laptop to start the online copywriting job. So these were all the top high-paying jobs you can do as a part-time online with no work limit. If you love this video, then say thanks by like this video. Also share this precious information with others because sharing is caring. If you want video on any topic, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on Instagram for fast reply or any update. Thank you.
So that's all. I think I have covered everything. If you want to get some information or any query, just comment down, send me mail, and must follow me on Instagram. For fast reply, follow me on Instagram. And guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel and must share every information with others.